Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can internally host and test your Unity WebGL games. Let's get right into it. So you've built a Unity WebGL game. If you don't know how to, click the link in the description below or the eye up in the corner. That will walk you through how to build your first Unity WebGL game. And once you've got the game built, I want you to go into the build folder and locate the index.html file. Now the next step is, if you don't have Python installed, install it. There'll be a link in the description below where you can download and install Python. And once you have Python installed, I want you to hold the Shift key and right click somewhere in this folder. Then go to Open PowerShell window here. So there are a couple of commands you're going to want to do, and these commands will be in the description below. So the first command will be ipconfig findstr IPv4, then press enter. And this will give you your local IPv4 address, so people can connect to your WebGL game that you're going to host locally on this computer. You only need to use this command to get the IPv4 address. Once you have it, you don't need to do it again. Just one thing to keep in mind, your IPv4 address may change depending on how your local network is set up. If you're having any difficulties connecting to that IPv4 address, run the command again just in case it's changed. Now, the command that's going to host our server is going to be pym http.server, then a port number of 8000. You can change the port to be whatever you like. If this command doesn't work, instead try python m http.server, then a port of 8000 or whatever number you like. And once you do that, press the enter key. Now you are hosting your WebGL game on your local Wi-Fi network. So other devices can connect to this server and play the game. They just need to be on your Wi-Fi network. And then you can go into a web browser on any device that's connected to the network, and you need to do the following. http:// then that IPv4 address you had, then : then the port. And once you do that, you can press the enter key. And this will load your Unity WebGL game, and you can now play it on any device on your local network. And that's how you can internally host and play your Unity WebGL game. This will work for desktop devices and mobile devices. So you could get your phone out, type in your IPv4 address, then your port, and then play the game on your mobile phone. And that's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.